Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're improving our game and uploading it to itch.io. But before we get into that, let's add some features. Last week, I started a little project, and now we're in a position where we need to upload the game somewhere for people to play. So first, we need to polish it. Here's what we've got so far. We have a traffic light that when clicked, toggle on and off, changing the flow of the traffic. Additionally, there's a spawner that randomly spawns cars on each of 4 streets. Lastly, we have cars that randomly set their direction that they wanna go and show us by turning their flashers on and off. Previously, cars needed to go to the end of a road, so you get points, but that was not necessary. It's better to achieve points when cars cross through the intersection. Now, we need to add some flavor to it by adding some UI, animation, camera movement, and of course, sound. Therefore, for you to feel the accident when cars crash into each other, I told the camera to shake. Before, when our cursor was on the interactable objects, the player couldn't know which one was interactable. So I added this feature. Now, when your cursor is on the traffic light or crashed cars, which we know are interactable, the camera will show you an outline around them, so you can visually see that they are interactable. When cars passed through the intersection line, their flasher was still on, so it would be more logical to make it turn off when they passed. I want the player to be able to turn all of the lights on and off at the same time. So I created 2 buttons and made 2 icons for it. Then I thought it would be better if we could play with time a little bit. So I decided to add some slow motion and stop time. Then I realized it would get so slow and maybe sometimes gets boring. And the player wants to make things happen fast. So I added fast forward too. Now we have all the time elements that we want. Then I realized that the game became too easy because we could always stop the game or make it slow to prevent all the crashes. And I don't want that.
I want you to suffer.
While enjoying it, of course. So I set a limit for it. You have only 1 pause and 3 slow motions. So far, we have a simple score system. When a car passes the intersection, you get points, and when cars crash with each other, you lose points. So I made a bonus for the score system of the game. When each car passes through the intersection, the bonus increases, and you will get more points. It will show you with this scaling and green arrow animation. In contrast, when you crash more cars together, the score decreases more and more, and it will show you with the red arrow animation. Okay, now it's time for something that I don't have experience with at all. Sound design. But let's give it a try. I found a bunch of free sound effects and combined them randomly together until I was satisfied. Now, when you get points, it plays this sound. And when cars crash, it plays this sound. As you can see, everything looks great, and I'm okay with it. In the end, I added a simple menu and game over UI that saves your performance. And that's it. It's ready for you to play and give me suggestions and comments. If you have an idea that you would like me to add, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it with your friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, peace.